Topic 5.5, more graphing equations. So in the last lesson we were graphing equations using information in a table. Today we're going to do some more, but we're going to add a little bit more to the equation. So before we get busy, let's go ahead and review how you plot a point on a coordinate grid. So this horizontal axis down here, which one is that? X. And then going up and down with the vertical axis is the Y. Don't forget, it's X, Y on these coordinate points here. So to find 7, 4, we go over to 7 and then up to 4. So that would be 7, 4. How about 10, 10? 10 up to 10. Right there. And 2, 6 would be right there. So a quick review on how to graph points. Now let's get into some equations. I'm going to read you a scenario and I want to see if we can come up with an equation that would fit this scenario. Bill walks in a school walkathon. He's going to donate $2 when he signs up, and then he earns $3 to donate for every mile that he walks. So let's say that X equals the number of miles he walks. So that would be $3 for each one of those. We're going to say 3x, or 3 times x. And how much do you have to donate it in to start? $2. So his total, depending on how many miles he walks, we're going to say is equal to y. So let's go ahead and set up a table here. And let's just say 0, 2, 4, and let's say 5. So if he walks 0 miles, that's 3 times 0, but he'd have his $2 there that he donated to start, so his total would be 2. If he walked 2 miles, that'd be 6 plus the 2 would be 8. If he walked 4 miles, total would be 14. If he did 5 miles, he would be earning a total of 17. So what do you do next? We're going to go ahead and plot these. Okay, so what's missing from this graph? Oh, we need labels. So this bottom axis is the X, and that's going to represent miles. And then the Y-axis going up and down, that's going to be the money he earns, right? So we're going to call that dollars. Let's go ahead and plot these in here. 0, if he walked 0 miles, on Y he'd have $2. If he walked 2 miles, he would earn 8. So watch me make sure I get these in the right place. 4 miles would be 14. And then 5 miles, he would earn $17. Okay? Do you notice something about these points? That's right. They form a line. Now, can you make predictions with this line? Like, let's say the X value was 6. Sure, you could calculate it out with the formula, but look on the grid there, follow the 6 up, and you should see that it goes and forms a point right there on the 20, which would work also. For one of your check questions over there, I'm going to have you figure out this equation here, some values. If y is going to equal 3x minus 1. So here's your x, here's your y. Let's see what you can do with 1, 2, 3, 4. What the values with y would be. You can kind of imagine them on the grid there. Maybe see if they make a line. Submit those answers, just make your choices, and then answer that extra question over there too. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow morning in class.